Yo guys, today I'll show you what a trade looks like inside PumpFun Sniper Bot, straight from the interface. We'll connect a wallet, set up risk parameters, and see how the bot reacts to new tokens from pump.fun. Let's go. On the left, you've got the start-stop button and connection status. On the right, the main part, trade settings. All these parameters help you tune your risk. For example, set a stop loss at 20%, take profit at plus 150%, and the bot will automatically close the position. Once everything's set, you hit Start Bot. But if you just want to see how it works, there's a preview mode where the bot visualizes trading without using real funds. Now the bot is connected to the stream of new pump.fun tokens. In real time, it monitors them and checks against your conditions. At the bottom, you'll see live monitoring, new tokens, their parameters, risk levels. If everything matches your filters, the bot enters a trade. In the holdings block, you'll see active positions, token, amount, current price, and P&L percent. If TP or SL triggers, the bot exits automatically. If the max hold time limit is reached, it closes the position too. For example, the bot found a coin that passed the filter. The developer holds only 8% of supply. Honeypot check is clean. I set a limit of 0.2 SOL and TP plus 40%. The bot bought in, price moved up, and once it hit plus 40%, the position closed automatically. I didn't touch anything manually. If you want to stop everything, just press Stop Bot. All active trades remain in your wallet, but the bot won't pick up new tokens anymore. Bottom line, trading through PumpFun Sniper Bot is fully automated. You set the risk parameters, the bot finds tokens and filters scams, it enters, holds, and exits based on your rules. Perfect if you don't want to sit at the screen 24/7 manually monitoring pump.fun. And you can even try it out with a small balance. Link to the site is in the description. Drop a comment with what you think about this trading format.